Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to enable cookies in Firefox so websites can remember your preferences and function properly. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where browser settings are located. Step 2. Click Settings from the menu. This takes you to the main Firefox settings page. Step 3. Select Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Here you can control cookies and site data. Step 4. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. This area manages how Firefox handles cookies. Step 5. Make sure cookies are allowed by choosing Standard under Enhanced Tracking Protection. This setting enables cookies required by most websites. Step 6. Close the Settings tab. Cookies are now enabled in Firefox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.